Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you one new part modeling, that is this one. Here we have a 2D sketch of it. It looks like a bottle, but here it shows that one drawing here in section AA. We have to create this by using a revolve command, and make sure your unit will be IPS, that is inch pound second. So we have to make this. So let's move to start. Select new part. OK. Click on OK. Now here first we will change the unit. So I will go to now settings, document properties. Here go to units in left hand side and choose here IPS, that is inch pound second, not mmgs. Select here IPS, click OK. Now select the front plane from feature tree, sketch. First I will make center line from center point of origin. And in horizontal direction also. OK. Now go to line command again. Complete this sketch, close it. Yeah, now our sketch is closed. Only we have to give dimensions. So go to smart dimension, select here a vertical axis line and this, make here 2.5 mm. OK. Now again select this vertical axis, make this as 2.25. Again choose this vertical axis, make this 2.05 inch. Now go to again smart dimension. This time I will make here height. So select this line and this, no, up to here. Make this as 0.75 mm, mm not inch. Okay. Now this time I will make the whole height of dimension. So go to again smart dimension, select this smaller line and this up to end here. Make it here 6.25 inch. Now go to your smart dimension, select this smaller line and this one, make it 0.10, that is 0.10 inch. Okay. Now again select this line and this, make it again 0.10. Now we will make this section A. Here the dimensions has been given here. We have given all this type of dimensions. Now we will move to this part, this section. Go to smart dimension, select this and this, make it as 0.20 inch. Okay. Now go to again smart dimension, select this vertical axis line to this point, make it as 2 inch. And here select this line and this vertical axis, make it 45-degree angle. Yeah, okay. And this one, make it 30-degree angle. Okay. Now here you can see one dimension is given diameter, that is 0.50 inch. I will apply this. So go your smart dimension, select this vertical axis to this point, give it here 0.50 inch. Okay, now simply we will apply here heights, that is 0.45 and 0.25 height. Again use smart dimension, select this height, this line, and up to horizontal axis. Take here 0.45 inch, and here also make this, it is already 0.25 selected, so exit. Now I will give one add relation. Take add relation, select this and this line, make it parallel. Yeah, it is done. See, in existing relation. Okay, now again use add relation, select this point and this, make it vertical. Okay, now again go to add relation, select this point and this, make it vertical relation. Again go to add relation, select this line and this, make it parallel. Okay, now we will add here one dimension, select this line and this, make it 0.20 inch. Yeah, that is okay. Now we have given all the dimensions as you see here in our 2D sketch also. Now exit this, and I will use revolve boss in features. Select the axis revolution, this. Yeah, now click OK. See, it applies here. If you want to give a section view, you can give it by clicking this section view by using front plane. OK, press Ctrl 8. See, we have make this. If you want to give any color, you can give it, or any material by clicking on material, right click. I will use here like plastic material. Or any or any color you can give it.